In part 2, we're going to be setting up our business processes for our fantasy company, Wise Muffins Muffins. We're going to be using HubSpot for our muffin production. Over in HubSpot.com, on the landing page, look for this action button, start free or get a demo. Click on this and you'll get two options. We're going to click on the get started for free, and this will set up a HubSpot account with no data in it at all. Now I've already set up this account, but you go through the form, fill it out. Let's pretend we're working in muffin sales. We're going to be wanting to create companies that we're pitching, any contacts of those companies, and any deals that we're doing. So we'll just create a few dummy records so that we can ingest into our data warehouse later on down the track. And they can be found by looking at the top ribbon here for companies, contacts, and deals. So in muffin sales, let's create the first company that we're going to be pitching to. And we're going to go all out and we're going to try and grab some deals from Amazon. And HubSpot has already recognized, oh, who the company owner is. That's myself. That would be amazing, but let's keep it as that. Let's create the company. So after creating the company Amazon, you get taken to an overview of the company and any relationships we have with them. Right now we have no contacts to call, and we haven't done any deals, and we don't have any tickets assigned by this company. We can go back to the original view where we created companies, and we'll get a list of all the companies that we're currently pitching. Let me just add a second company to this list. And again, like with Amazon, we have a load of pre-filled out information around what industry it is and so forth. Now, for both of these companies we're going to be pitching, we're going to need some contacts to phone. So let's just create some dummy contacts at these companies. So we could either add them from within this page, or we could create contacts via this menu here. But let's just click this add button because they'll take you to the same form. So let's create a new contact. So now we have a contact in Tesla for Elon. If we go back to the company Tesla, we'll also see that this company has an associated contact. Okay, so we now have two companies set up, each with a contact. Let's just jump into Tesla first. Right, so currently we have Tesla as a company, one contact, Elon Musk. Let's pretend that we're going to go and actually meet Elon, and we're going to start setting up a deal. So we're creating an appointment for this deal. We'll name the deal just the name of the company plus new deal. Let's keep the stage at appointment scheduled. This is the sales lifecycle. What we'll do later on in this episode is when we actually get to the point where we've won the business from Tesla, what we're going to do is we're going to create an event that will trigger our production crew to start creating muffins. So we won't click close just yet. We'll just leave it as appointment scheduled, and we'll come back to this later on. And let's just pretend we're pitching for $100,000 worth of muffins to Tesla's employees. And we'll just pretend that, yes, the company is Tesla, and the contact that we phoned up, or who we're going to be doing this negotiation with, is Elon. And let's just create this deal. Oh, there's various other ways of managing this deal. There's loads of other tools within HubSpot. We're just going to keep it very simple. Let's create a second deal just so we have a bit more data to work with. So over in Amazon, we'll create a contact and a deal. In the next episode, we're going to be doing data integration. We're going to be taking the data that we've created in our HubSpot and moving it into our data warehouse where we can consolidate and model that data and ready for serving consumption of our visualization tools